Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group on your PC and want to give another admin the ability to delete messages, you're in the right place. With Telegram's latest update, you can now fine-tune admin permissions more easily than ever. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you enable the delete messages privilege for any admin in your group. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Next, from your chat list, open the group where you have admin rights. You'll need to be an admin yourself to adjust these settings. Once you're inside the group chat, look to the top right corner of the window and click on the three dots. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Manage Group. This is where you can control all the key settings for your group. In the Group Management window, find and click on Administrators. Here, you'll see a list of all the current admins in your group. Click on the name of the admin you want to grant the permission to. A menu will pop up showing all the permissions available for that admin. Look for the option labeled Delete Messages. To enable this, simply turn the switch on or check the box next to it, depending on your Telegram version. After you've enabled the Delete Messages permission, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. This will apply your changes and immediately grant the selected admin the power to delete messages in the group. That's it. Now, the chosen admin can help keep your group tidy by removing unwanted or inappropriate messages whenever necessary. This feature is especially useful for maintaining order and ensuring that your group's conversations stay relevant and respectful. Remember, you can always return to the Administrators section to adjust permissions for any admin as your group's needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with these updated tools.